Welcome to watch the installation guide for Advanced Sol Module Level Control Solution R. This is instruction video for a cloud system setting. Open the Cloud app on your mobile phone. Enter your username and password. Check the user agreement box below. Click Login. After logging in, click Mine at the bottom. Find guides and tools in the list. Click to enter. Locate Solution R. Click Read Detail. You will enter the Solution R installation guide page. A cloud system setting process. Process 1, Create Plant Tap System Setting. Select Create Plant from the drop-down menu. Enter the plant management page. Click Create Plant to start the setup process. Follow the prompts. Fill in the basic plant information, financial information, contact information. Click Bind Control Devices. Enter the data controller binding page. Tap Scan to add device. Scan the SNQR code on the side of the V2.5 control box. The SN will autofill in the input field. Verify it matches the physical SN code. Click Sure. The device will be added to the pending binding list. Repeat to add all data controllers in the plant. Click Confirm the binding. All scanned devices are now bound to this plant. Return to Plant Management. You will see a list of created plants. Each plant has 2 buttons on the right. Click Edit to modify the power plant's information. Click Device to manage data controllers. Then plant setup is now complete. Process 2, Wi-Fi configuration. In the Solution R guide, tap System Settings. Select Wi-Fi configuration from the drop-down. Enter the Wi-Fi configuration page. Select the target plant from the drop-down. Tap the data controller to configure the Wi-Fi. Step 1. Select the Wi-Fi network matching the data controller's serial number. Tap Connect. Wait for the connection to succeed. Step 2. Select the router's Wi-Fi and enter its password. Tap to configure. Wait for the connection. A success message confirms Wi-Fi is configured. Repeat for all data controllers to complete Wi-Fi setup. Process 3. Remote shutdown test. Ensure the data control box is powered. Turn on the breaker. Turn on the inverter's DC side. Wait for the inverter to start and running well. Open the Cloud app. Tap Plant at the bottom. Select the target plant. Press the Stop Emergency button. Hold for 10 seconds to trigger shutdown. Use a clamp meter to verify string current drops to around 0 amps within 30 seconds. Shutdown completes after 30 seconds. The button turns green, reset. Hold for 10 seconds to reset. Verify string current returns to normal with the clamp meter. Reset completes after 30 seconds. In the end, Solution R Module Level Control System is now fully installed and set.